Hello everyone, I'm Alice, your DGSHAPE assistant with a human heart. In this video, I will introduce the automatic correction function of DWX-43W. The accuracy of the milling machine may change if it is used for a long period of time or the surrounding environment changes. Therefore, regular correction is important to make sure the machine works properly. These items are necessary to conduct automatic correction. These are all included items. Besides these items, prepare a piece of dry cloth if you need it. Regarding the detection pin, do not confuse detection pin with a dummy pin. Why? Because you are not able to correct the machine if you use detection pin as a dummy pin. If for some reason the detection pin for correction is used as the dummy pin, a new detection pin for correction will be necessary. Contact your authorized DGSHAPE Corporation dealer or access our website. Open the front cover and remove the milling burrs. Wipe the inside of the machine with dry cloth if the inside is wet. Attach the recessed correction jig to hole 2 on the rotary axis. Align the recessed portion of the jig with the protrusion on the rotary axis and insert the jig. Make sure that there is no gap between the surfaces. Attach the ATC magazine correction jig and push the detection pin for correction as far as it will go into the magazine. Now, it is ready for the correction. Open the V panel and select the machine to operate. Then, click the maintenance icon and open the maintenance tab. Finally, click Automatic Correction. This window is displayed automatically and click Next. Then, new window is displayed, check that the work displayed on the screen is complete and click Next. The automatic correction starts. The machine status light will flash blue and the remaining work time will be displayed on V panel. When the automatic correction is finished, the message will be shown. Click OK and open the front cover. Now, all processes are done and automatic correction is completed. Remove detection pin, ATC magazine, and correction jig. Keep these pin and jig in a safe place. Thank you for listening and watching our video. If you need further helps, contact us through the live chat on DGSHAPE.com. Our team is ready to assist you. Also, remember to follow our social media channels. DGSHAPE, your needs our focus.